Chiwenga remains a vice president at large. He is theoretically part of the same government, but in reality, he is a dead man walking who is isolated and remains defiant to the end. Nzana pina many update yoya ichitsanangura na Brighton Tebuka aiwa on the Zimbabwe presidential succession race. An update ya January 2026 to subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Timna the mini update amdajuna chiti. ED remains hesitant to poetically pull the trigger. Is likely wrestling with the delicate matter of timing and the containment of volcanism, the potential eruptions that could follow such a weight and the consequential decision. Something not too similar to the carnage and the destruction that engulfed the Roman cities of Pompeii, Herculaneum, and Oplontis and others following the violent eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 879 AD. The political timetable to execute Agenda 2030 via Parliament and other state institutions continues to shrink. That state of affairs can trigger political disorientation, paranoia, panic, delirium, grave miscalculation, and convulsions. We are fast reaching a point where ED literally has to bite the bullet, regardless of the consequences. Control is getting eroded and gravitating towards potential chaos. Superficiality, political theater, choreography, pragmatism, and accommodation have a spectrum which ultimately collides with mortality once a point of no return has been reached. We are currently in a state of flux. It's unclear whether or not Chiwenga Syrian rhetoric is a hollow or a mode on quicksand. It also is unclear whether or not it's bravado or there is underlying real madness. The point of collision remains unclear and imprecise as we draw closer and closer to the political rendezvous. ED certainly executed moves on the political chessboard akin to pulling the rug from under Chiwenga's feet. That should ordinarily have been sufficient to seal Chiwenga's fate, yet it clearly thus far has not been. Efficiently, our conundrum involves trying to make an authoritative assessment on whether or not Chiwenga's current political oxygen is attributable to his own agency or EDC subterfuge and cunning. The outcome thus appears to hinge on who masters that corridor of uncertainty between the two wily protagonists. Though mashukano kuda sana ngura panguwa ine pamsori kuma fights aiwa aripo between the Chiwenga faction and the mnangagwa faction. Pina comment section medu zafungura emot kudi pamsoro I will pay this brief update. Pina comment section medu so subscribe or like chit on the bell icon.